Welcome to another edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. Mwah. So we want to pick up from our last video. Last video we talked about the opportunity at OTG and how we're helping a lot of people that are either unemployed, concerned about becoming unemployed, or just want to start a new gig. So,
Or may just want a side hustle with a residual income. Side hustle is like the new term for...
New term for us, I guess.
I know, right? It has been around. Well, it's been around for a long time because I do Beauty Counter, which was always my side hustle, and I've done that for 6 years now, if you can believe it. But it's a great opportunity for everyone to get involved in because we've been doing it forever. I've got a residual income that I've been getting for 15 years. The same client has just kept their services, and every time they renew every 3 years, I continue to get my monthly paycheck in the mail. It's great, no matter where I am and what I'm doing. So it's an amazing opportunity that we really want to share with everyone. And we've actually had the chance to share it with a lot of people from all walks of life. We have somebody who was laid off that was in the restaurant business. Other people that have been
real estate
furloughed.
Furloughed, yeah.
Exactly. So whatever your current position is, whether you have employment or you don't, this can be an opportunity for you to set yourself up to work from anywhere in the world, when you want, with whom you want, right? And so it's a pretty good gig.
Yeah, so we talked about that in the last video. We had a few comments and a few people reaching out. I know a lot of people are thinking, well, what is all this about? So we just decided to invite you guys on to our Tuesday call. Every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Mountain, we have a call. It's basically it started out for all the newbies coming into OTG, and just they want to understand, how do I start my business? Who do I call? What do I say when I call someone? Who do I partner with to help my contacts either save money on their technologies or upgrade their technologies.
Right.
So it's
or who can help me? Who wants to do this with me? Who wants to, maybe like Jeffrey said, partner up? There are a lot of people that work together and they split everything 50-50. One person brings in all the leads and the other person does all of the, the basically explaining to the possible client the opportunities.
Well, that's a good point. There are a lot of people that say, hey, Jeffrey, I'm not a salesperson at all. And by the way, this isn't selling. We're consultants, and we walk our prospects, our clients, into service providers. So for instance, if you want to move off of a phone system, you have an old premise-based phone system, you want to move to the cloud, to voice over IP, we bring in companies like Vonage and 8x8 and Ring Central, to name 3 of the bigger ones that you probably know, but we have probably have over 100 in the portfolio. So we bring those opportunities to the service providers, and then we end up picking 1, 2, or maybe 3 at the most, and then they do demos for your customers. So we're really reaching out and helping.
We're matchmakers.
Yeah.
So these potential clients are never actually our clients. We offer our services to them for free. So they have absolutely everything to gain, whether they decide to do something or not. But right now, with these challenging times, businesses are going out, they're losing their businesses. So in order to hold on as long as they can until we get back into the swing of things, they need to cut as many costs as they can. And of course, technology, their phone service is mission critical, right? But we can help them cut those costs. And again, our service to them is free. So all we have to do is, if you have your favorite restaurant, or maybe you were furloughed from a large company and you can go in there and help them, or maybe you're in the medical industry, there is so much great stuff available for the medical industry as well as schools right now that they're offering a lot of new services to kind of fulfill this new world that we're in.
Yeah, well, all businesses are in this new world. Everybody's trying to work from home. But anyway, back to this Tuesday call. We want to invite you to that call. So it's where people come every week And it's not just the new folks here at OTG. We have a lot of people that have been here for a while that just want to understand what's working out there. How are you growing your business? How are you helping more people? We say here at OTG lots internally, helping others, helping others, helping others. We say that all the time. So not only are we bringing people in, showing them how to build residual income and live their best life, the people that we go out to help and offer our free consulting, as Karen said, we're helping them get better technology, faster, get better terms, better pricing, and save money to their bottom line. So it's all along the lines of helping others. So the Tuesday call, we'll have the bridge in the description in this video. It's basically you click on it. It's a video bridge, so you can sit back in the weeds and just watch and listen. That might help you understand more about what we're doing.
But it is definitely an open Q&A. So if you want to join the call and find out more about it, it is definitely a place where you should feel very comfortable. There's a lot of new people. We used to call it the newbie call, where they would all get on to ask the questions. So feel that every question is a good question. So you can ask questions. Jeffrey will be on there, the CEO, the president, Brian will also be on there. And then we've got some mentors that are on there as well, and they are there to help other people. We've got Dean and Joe, and I'm not sure who else will be. I know those two are always on the calls as well. And the link will be down below. And if you want to, in the meantime, check out our YouTube video, which really explains in a cartoon what OTG does for the clients. And so if you go to the YouTube channel, YouTube OTGconsulting.net, and watch that 4-minute video, it gives you a good idea, I think, of what we do for our clients.
Well, it is on this channel too. I thought that's what you're saying. The video, the video's on this channel.
Oh, it's on our channel.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. We've got a few videos on this channel. That one, as well as another one about the services that we offer. So if you kind of scroll down and look at our videos, you'll see those videos inside this channel.
Yeah, I just think that cartoon is a great one to watch before popping on that Tuesday call. So we hope to see you on our Tuesday call. Don't be shy. Just join. If you don't want to participate, you don't have to, but please know that you can. 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and we'll put all of that down below. Again, if you are looking for employment, if you're already employed and looking to set up a residual commission stream in addition to what you're already doing, a lot of people do that as well. So we hope you'll join us. I think it's a great opportunity to share with everyone.
Love to see you there, guys. Thanks for listening.
Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from the nest at Copper Mountain.